honorable judges, all audiences, and my dear friends, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all praise be to Allah who has given us guidance, health, and chance to gather here today. Second, salawat and salam always be daily for our beloved Prophet Muhammad who has guided us from the darkness into the light. Last but not least, I would like to thank the judges for giving me this opportunity to join this contest. Ladies and gentlemen, as a youth who spends hours on the internet every day, I realized something important. The internet has now become our second home. But the question is, do we really take care of it? Greetings everyone, I am Mahardina Ratumalika Satyanegara from Budi Utama Senior High School, and I am glad to stand here in front of the camera to deliver my speech with the topic Click with Care, Building a Culture of Respect and Truth in the Digital World. Well, I hope all of you guys are feeling amazing as I am right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in a digital age, an era that is changing the way people work, changing the way people learn, changing the way people interact, and changing the way people socialize. Almost every activity we do today is connected to the internet because of the technological advancements. Therefore, the internet has now become our second home. However, this digital home is not always safe and healthy. Why? Because of the freedom to share anything in this cyberspace. That's why we could hear news about cyberbullying, online scams, data theft, hate speech, and the spread of hoaxes. These are not just small problems. They are real threats that can damage an individual mental health, breaking social relationships, and destroying public trust. Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you something. Have you ever seen or got a hateful comment online? Or have you ever read an information that turned out to be false? I believe most of us have it. That's the reality we got in this digital world. Here we are, the youth. And youth is a symbol of energy, hope, and change. So, what can we do as youth, and what is our role as youth in this digital world? Ladies and gentlemen, the answers can be found in just two important words. First, responsibility. Second, digital citizenship. First, responsibility. Every click we make has an impact. Every upload, every comment, and every post that we share can bring good. But it also can bring bad. One hateful comment can hurt someone, but one positive word can give energy. One hoax can mislead many people, but one piece of true information can save many lives. That's why we, the youth, must click with care. Think before we click. Always use polite and positive word in commenting. Always post helpful and positive thing. Use social media as a tool for innovation and creativity. Avoid spreading information that is not really true. Check the information before receiving it. And the last one, protect our personal data online. Second, digital citizenship. When we talk about digital citizenship, we, the youth, are not just internet users. We are also citizens of cyberspace. Being a digital citizen means understanding about the rights and responsibility in this cyberspace. That's why we, the youth, need to know the ethics and ways of acting in this cyberspace, such as protecting personal data, respecting others' privacy, stopping cyberbullying, and filtering information wisely. And the most important thing too, we, the youth, cannot just be bystanders. We must actively participate in using social media to spread goodness, to be creative, to innovate, and to inspire. Creating a healthy and safe online environment is not just the responsibility of the government as the authority, or the technology companies as the providers. But this is also our responsibility as youth, as digital citizens. Because we, the youth, are the most active internet users. We are the most advanced in technology, and we are the most capable of making change. Without our responsibility as youth, as digital citizens, the internet, which should be a safe place for someone, might be ruined simply because of the irresponsibility. Remember, how we as youth use the internet is a reflection of ourselves. If we fill it with hate, it will be a dangerous place that may harm someone verbally. But if we fill it with kindness, it will be a source of hope. Probably by filling the internet with kindness, it could become a safe place for someone. Ladies and gentlemen, the youth are always called the leaders of the future. However, in this digital era, we, the youth, are not just the leaders of the future. We are also the guardians of the day. Let us as youth protect our digital home so that it becomes safe, healthy, and useful for everyone. Let us as youth be wise and educated digital citizens. Remember this, when the youth choose responsibility, the internet it not just become a space, but a home for hope. That's all from me. I hope we've all learned something new from it and enjoy it. Thank you very much for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.